Wagwan people and welcome back to Bush God TV, Bush God Day and thing. And you know, despite everything Wagwan, everybody could have used a little bit of extra money in them bank account. So I promise you that if you'll subscribe and like the video in the next 5 seconds, some stranger will call you tomorrow morning and deposit 10,000 in your bank account. And remember, if them ask you for your account number, don't give them because you don't know them, just to call you and tell you say oh the money there in your bank account. So anything else I probably scam them or scam you. Now with that being said, people, Bush God TV presents scamming. Well, really say scamming still, but the psychology of scamming or the psychological thing them with the people them use for scam people or whatever. So without further ado, now just jump right in our video. Me not waste nobody time or try to scam nobody. So anyways, scamming. This can come in any form, you understand? But the main purpose I to get a hold of your money. You understand me I deal with. Now, how they might do this, forget you to reveal your personal information, or either them get a hold of your personal information or get you for straight up just hand over the money to them. You understand? Now, the tactics them with the scammer them use varies from an unexpected phone call to someone just straight up coming to your door. You understand? Now, everybody have free will. So, how them scammer boy you know that actually do this are through psychology. You understand me? And you have people naturally born with, you know, a talent for how to handle people and deal with situation. You understand? And me have to give credit where credit's due. You see me? Because as I say, some of the time is a natural born thing or is a skill we can develop. You see me? But as I say, if you convince anybody at all just for hand over the money where them work so hard for, which is not always the case, you see me? But as I say, hats off to them boy the same way upon that thing, but it is what it is. But anyways, now we'll call the section scam tactics, you see me? And to start off the list now, we are going to start with scam tactic number 1. And the psychological emotion where them normally prey upon are greed and laziness. Or you can say, yo, this are just one of them. Yeah, you can just say, yo, greed and laziness are one of the psychological emotion them where them boy would prey upon. So, with that being established now, what them are going to focus upon is a crowd where hopeful but sort of stupid or dumb, if you get what I mean. And them people are the kind of people who think say your riches come from the internet by just a push of a button, or you know them are the type of people who subscribe to the idea of you know them deserve to live a good life and don't work. You see me? And them are the type of people who want to find passive income and do no work. Period. Like you just stumble up on passive income and you never do nothing in the first place to get it. Now, them are the type of people who don't realize say how success requires dedication and hard work. Them just want the end result but without the dedication and the hard work. Now them get them target crowd and everything nice. Now them move on to scam tactic 2. Now the psychological emotion we get prey upon here so have to do with proof and credibility. You understand? Now what them are going to try to do now, show you say whatever them a sell to you or the service where them a exchange to get your money. You see me? Say that it real and it legit and no one scam. So if somebody for call you and tell you say you know you get $1,000 because you enter such and such, you understand me? Them would have idea say you probably sign up for some new website probably like yesterday and you know them get a hold of that the information there and them match up something real quick. And just ring the phone with that and talk to you and talk them way in that, and by them proving say you joined the website yesterday and tell you what time and you know that would kind of swear in a way if you make you believe them. Now this is just an example and this can come about in any form or any way depending upon the nature of the scam. Now everything good now, we are move on to scam tactic number 3, and the psychological emotion with this would have mostly deal with or what them would have prey upon the desire to belong or the desire for freedom. You understand me? Now the concept of deserving a certain lifestyle appeals directly to most hopeless and gullible people. Now, if you ever hear a life coach talk, you can see how them pump people at this irrational belief of how them can get anything them want, and this is possible once you do this, or this is possible once you read that, or you'll get certain knowledge from doing this or doing that, or if you buy the bottle of water, you something greater got in your life. We all hear them story there, you understand me? And them scammer boy imply something similar to that, you understand? Now, them scammer boy know say them hopeless people flock to them kind of advice, and them are going to use that to them advantage and deal with the way them have to deal with. You understand me? And that I go take us straight to scam tactic number 4, you see me? And the psychological emotion with them prey upon mostly are hope. Now, them not go ever get specific for how you go make the money. You understand? Them just will give you some kind of business-ish or some kind of advice for sound smart or sound intelligent. You understand? Any straightforward thinking person, readers, hear any one of them, something of them where just see just base straight from the get-go. You understand? So, what the boy them would I do now, them would I try to make success look like it don't go take like 2 hours a week or just one payment, you see me? And you would I can do from anywhere in the world, even your bathroom, sit down on your toilet or whatever, you understand me? And them make it look easy as possible, little risk and big rewards, small payout, big payments, you understand me? No reach at the cherry pan the pie, the icing pan the cake, the final piece of the puzzle. Scam tactic number 5, and the psychological emotion of them boy normally prey upon time constraint, questioning their intelligence and the fear of them missing out by anything. So the point is to be ultra aggressive when you sell anything at all, because you're not gonna see them people again, you understand? And brother, them boy are not afraid to burn bridges, dog. Them not there to make friends, are just in and out. And the thing them woulda do, them woulda tell some wicked and aggressive lie. Them woulda spam the people them as much as them can. Them woulda exploit and play with them emotions. Them woulda make them feel stupid regardless of how stupid they already are. You understand me I deal with? And them woulda do anything at all, brother, to make the people them buy. And them no business if it legal or it no legal. You understand me? So at the end of the day, scammer boy them they bout. Scammer boy them a do them thing. You see me? Them a target the rich, the poor, the stupid, the intelligent. It no matter. You see me? If it work, it work. And you just have to watch out and know what is what. So people, with that being said, it's a Bush God TV and Bush God, you know, your host and all of that, and signing off until next video, and promise say, yo, if you subscribe and like the video, you're not gonna be disappointed, and that is no scam. So Bush God out.